Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 9th of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, and other gov jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. Gov plans 0.5 million skills scholarships for youth. Islamabad. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Youth Affairs Mohammad Usman Dar said on Friday that the government had a plan to offer 500,000 skills scholarships to young people under the Skill for All program of the Kamyab Jawan program. 2. Clear signs fourth COVID wave is starting in Pakistan, warns Asad Umar. Islamabad. Minister for Planning and Development Asad Umar warned on Friday that the fourth wave of COVID-19 pandemic starting in Pakistan. 3. COVID vaccine. 6 vaccinated countries have high COVID infection rates. 5 of them rely on Chinese vaccines. 4. IMF and Pakistan's goals are aligned. State Bank of Pakistan Governor Dr. Reza Bakir says the IMF and Pakistan share the same goals. We too want to expand our tax net and improve our tax to GDP ratio, says Dr. Bakir. 5. Afghan FM seeks Pakistan's help in bringing Taliban to negotiating table again. Afghanistan's Minister of Foreign Affairs Mohammad Hanif Atmar has sought Pakistan's help to halt the violent conflict in Afghanistan, saying that he hoped Islamabad would persuade the Taliban to return to talks again. 6. Corona cases rise over 1,500 for the third consecutive day. Islamabad. Pakistan reported a daily coronavirus case count over 1,500 for the third consecutive day on Friday. 7. Former hockey Olympians seek Gov's help for Naveed Alam's treatment. Bringing their voice up on the side of former hockey player Naveed Alam, who is battling cancer and is presently admitted at Lahore's Sheikh Zayed Hospital. Previous Olympians have spoken to the public authority to financially help him in his treatment. 8. Rupee closes at its lowest in 5 months, 159 rupees and 33 paise per dollar. Karachi. The rupee tumbled to a 5-month low against the US dollar on 9. Latest gold rate in Pakistan today, 9 July 2021, is Rs. 93,020 per 10 grams, and the rate of gold is Rs. 108,500 per tola, 24K gold, in Pakistan today. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.